Stop scrolling, because if you've got a pile of old clothes sitting around, you are sitting on a gold mine of creativity and even money-making potential. Today on Ms. Angela Sawyer, we are diving into the most satisfying, budget-friendly, and honestly addictive world of upcycling old clothes. Every single idea in this video was found while scrolling Pinterest, and I've linked my Pinterest board in the descriptions so you can go see the original inspiration and patterns. I want you to vote on your favorite idea from this list in the comments, and once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning idea in my own style right here on the channel. So let's turn those forgotten clothes into something beautiful, useful, and maybe even profitable. Today, I want to slow this down for a second and talk about something beyond sewing and upcycling, because saving money is a form of power. Every time you look at something old in your closet and choose to reuse it, remake it, or transform it instead of buying something new, you are making a decision that changes your life. It might feel small, but it is a mindset shift. You start seeing resources differently. You stop defaulting to spending, and you begin trusting your creativity more than your wallet. Over time, that changes how you shop and how confident you feel solving everyday problems, because you are not just consuming, you are creating. That is where freedom starts, not from having more, but from using what you already have in smarter ways. When you live like this, old clothes stop being clutter and start becoming opportunity. You notice fabric, texture, and potential instead of waste. That shift trains your brain to look at everything differently, not just clothing. It builds patience, creativity, and control over spending, because you realize you can make things work without always buying new. If you are enjoying this kind of content, make sure you like and subscribe for more sewing inspiration, upcycling ideas, and creative ways to stretch your wardrobe without spending a fortune. It helps support the channel and lets me know you want more ideas like this. I also have tutorial videos linked in the description from previous videos covering different ideas you can follow step by step at home. They help you build skills, try projects at your own pace, and see how transformations come together. The goal here is not perfection, it is progress. Every small project builds your creativity and confidence. Over time, you start realizing how much you can make with what you already have. So take what you have, start where you are, and I will see you in the next video.